Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel learnfrench. Today in this video we are going to learn counting from 1 to 20 in a different way. So let's start. C'est parti.
Let's start with numbers. 1 in French is known as a. Now 2 in French is the. Repeat after me. The. 3 in French is trois. Repeat after me. Trois. Very good. Let's continue. 4 in French is quatre. Let's do it once again. It is quatre. Now 5 in French is cinq. Repeat after me. Cinq. Very good. 6 in French is six. We say it six. Now you try it. Yes, that's correct. The next number is 7. 7 in French is sept. Sept. Repeat after me. Sept. That's right. Moving on. 8 in French is huit. Huit. Wow, you guys are doing really good. Now, 9 in French is neuf. Repeat after me. Neuf. 10 in French is dix. Yes, say it aloud. It is dix. 11 in French is onze. Say onze. 12 in French is douze. Repeat after me. Douze. Excellent. That's correct. Let's continue. 13 in French is treize. Say it aloud, guys. Treize. 14 in French is quatorze. I will repeat it for you. 14 in French is quatorze. Now you try it. That's right. Let's start with 15 now. 15 in French is quinze. I will repeat it. It is quinze. Now you try it. Perfect. That's absolutely correct. Now 16 in French is seize. Repeat after me. Seize. Yes, that's right. 17 in French is Dix-sept. 10 plus 7 becomes 17, which in French is Dix-sept. Well done, guys. You are going good. Now, let's start with 18. 18 in French is dix-huit. I repeat. Dix-huit. 19 in French is dix-neuf. Repeat after me. Dix-neuf. Yes, that's absolutely correct. So here comes 20. 20 in French is vingt. It is vingt. Well done, guys. I am really proud of you. Now, let's learn the counting through poem. So let's start.
Thank you guys for watching our video till the end. Hope you like our way of teaching. Subscribe our channel so that you do not miss out any of our videos. Thank you.